So I got a laptop, a brand new one, and there's a bit of a story behind it. Um, so the other day, well, more like a week ago, I was at Staples helping my parents get new laptops. They know I do IT work, so they wanted me to help pick out new laptops for them. We picked out some good laptops for them. They bought them. Then I walk out the store, get in the truck with my dad, and I'm like, hold on, I gotta go back in and buy some paper because I ran out of paper for my printer. Um, he goes in with me, and I'm like, you don't need to do that. He's like, I'm just gonna run in and get paper. He's like, I want to. So I'm like, all right, cool. He goes in with me. So he noticed that when we were in there the first time, that I was looking at a gaming laptop. It was an Asus gaming laptop. And I was like, yeah, someday I'll be able to get this. I do have a gaming laptop, but it's an older one. Um, so we go back in there. I get the paper, and he's like, "Hey, do you still want that laptop?" I'm like, "Yeah, but I'm gonna wait a few paychecks before I get it." And then he's like, "Guess what? It's gonna be an early birthday gift. I'm getting it for you." I was blown away because it's an expensive laptop, but anyway, I have it now. So mom, dad, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I really appreciate this gift. I'm about to unbox it right here on camera for you. Alrighty, let's get it on the table. Yeah, it's got some heft to it. All right, so it's an Asus TUF Gaming A15. Um, let's go ahead and unbox it. See what's in here. So I'm gonna need my knife for this. Give me a moment. Okay, got the knife. So let's see what's in here. Oh, opens. Shit. Opens. Yep, it does open that way. Okay. All right. I like the presentation. Activate the force. They've got like a whole story here behind it. It's great. I love it. Let's keep going. So let's take this out of here. Got that. Let's see our laptop. Oh, look at that. All right, let's open it up. Oh, look at how sleek that looks. Oh man, that looks so nice. And the thing is too, it's not that heavy. It's actually pretty light in comparison to the chonker that I have on the rack behind me. So yeah, that server rack you see behind me, to the side, on top of it, there's a laptop there. That's my old gaming laptop. That thing's a beast compared to this. This is so nice. Again, mom and dad, if you're seeing this, thank you so much. This really is going to be awesome, especially if I have to travel to cons or the hotel with it. That's going to be great. Let's keep going. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, so yeah, we've got the charger. Oops. Sorry about that, folks. I hit my mic. So we got that. Manuals, warranty card, all that fun stuff. And think that's it. So let's turn it on. Okay. So it boots. And I will do a gaming test video probably later. But I am so happy to have this laptop, and she's already talking. Anyway, guys, bye for now.